I will show you how to delete Roblox t-shirts you made 2025. First step, open Roblox. Then go to Avatar. Open a new tab to open the Chrome Web Store. Type BTR Roblox. You can download the app. Go back to the Roblox page. Direction to extension and open the downloaded BTR Roblox. Make sure the embed inventory is checked and the check is on in green. After that, refresh. Later you choose which item you want to delete, and there is a remove. Press like this. That's all. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure hit subscribe button.